Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about some other problems. This is a egg dropping puzzles. Okay, let's read the problem statements. You are given an identical eggs and you have to access k floored building from 1 to k. There exists a floor f from 0 to k such that any egg dropped from the floor higher than f will break, and any egg dropped from or below floor f will not break. Let's read. Let's understand what is the problem statements. Now you can see the company tags. All top MNCs have asked these problems, so you can understand the importance of these types of problems. So you should very carefully learn and understand how we will solve these types of problems. Okay, let's go to the problem statements and understands. Okay, here given a n eggs, okay, and total k floors. Let's okay, here we make the floors. Okay, here given a multiple storage building and given a n number of egg and k floors. We need to find the what is the floors above which if we drop the egg then it will break, and below and from that floor we will drop the egg that will not break, and above which egg will be break. Okay, so you can read again the problem statements. An egg that survive a fall can be used again. If egg are not broken, then you can use that egg again to check. Okay, an egg broken must be discarded. If egg will be broken, then we discard that egg. The effect of all the fall is the same for all the eggs. Okay, if the eggs doesn't break at a certain floor, it will not break at any floors below. If egg will be not break from here, then the below this egg will be not broken from below this. Okay, and if egg will be broken at the certain floor, then it will break any floor above, and if egg will be broken at this floor, then above for any floor egg will be broken. So what will be the approach to solve these problems? Let's understand. Here what is the meaning of the n? You have given n number of egg, and by using this you need to find the floors number from which if you drop the egg will not broken, and above which if you drop the egg, then egg will be broke. Let's understand. If you drop the egg from this floor, and egg will not broke, and if you drop from this floor the egg will broke, then your required floor is this. Then final answer, you need to how much steps to needed to find these floors. Okay, let's take the base case. If we have only one eggs, if n is equal to 1, okay, and k will be anything. Then if we have only one eggs, then you need to check from lower floor. Okay, so why you need to lower floor to check from lower floor? Because you have only one egg. If you check from the above floors and egg will broken, then you can't specify the what is the answer. Okay, okay, let's. So if n is equal to 1, then you need to check k times for first floor, then second, then third, then fourth, and then fifth, and so on. Okay, now generalize these questions. Okay, if you have a n is equal to more than 1, then and k values, then you need to check from the certain floors. If you check for this floor, then if you check from these floors, then you have two conditions. First, egg will be broken and egg will be not broken. If egg will be broken from these floors, then your answer will be contained below this, and if egg will be not broken, then your answer will be above these floors. So what should be next? At first we should go to these floors, and if egg will be broken, just case 1, broken case, then if egg will be broken, then you need to check the below this, then you find the recursive call for below, and below will be the total number of the floors. Let's find, this is the floor number f, this is the floor number 1, 2, and so on, and this is the floor number k. So if condition is broken, if you check for this and egg will be broken, then you need to solve for this, and this, if egg will be broken, then the n minus 1, because of the one egg will be broken, and total number of the floor for check is f minus 1. Okay, recursively call for broken and recursively call for not broken will be solve for the above this. If we have egg not broken, then remaining egg is only n, because no egg will be broken. Okay, and above which the remaining floors is k minus f. Then we need to find the maximum of this final answer. Final answer will be 1 for these steps, and maximum of below and above. That means solve of n minus 1, f minus 1, comma, solve n, comma, k minus f. Okay, and these steps you need to do for the every steps. If we have f is equal to here, if f here, f here, f here. Okay, so you need to traverse for all these floors and find the minimum answers. Okay, let's write the code and explain again to more understanding. Okay, let's we pass total values of the number of the egg and total floors. Okay, then we make solve functions int n int k. Okay, it's if you have only one egg, if n is equal to 1, then you need to check every floors from ground floor to top floors. So you need to traverse k times, so return k. Okay, if only one floors or 0 floors, if you have only one floors, then you drop the egg and find egg is broken or not. If you have only one floor and egg is broken, then the floor answer you have the required floor will be 0, and if egg is not broken, then the required floor is 1. So you return 1 if floor is equal to less than or equal to 1. Okay, then you make answers value and initialize with int max, because we need to find the minimum value, so initialize with maximum. Now traverse from floor 1 to floor k. ठीक है, ओके. Now find the temporary answers. Temporary answer will be 1 plus maximum of the below the required floor. Let's initialize with floor 1 to floor k and floor plus plus. Okay, maximum of the solve floor. For below we have the broken 1 eggs and the floor will be f minus 1. Then if for the above, if egg will be not broken, it will be k minus f. Okay, then update your answers with minimum of the temporary answers, comma answers. Finally you return the answers. Okay, let's compile it. You can see, you can put some other example test case and compile it. Now you submit it. Okay, this gives a time limit exceeds, because you are doing the recursively call. It's take more time as you have given required time, so we need to optimize it. For optimizations we will be using the DP in the memoization approach. So in memoization approach we make a matrix and initialize all with a -1. So we have given, you can see here, 2 variables. So according to this, in the memoization approach, number of the variables is equal to number of the dimension of the matrix. So we have here 2 variables, So we need to make a matrix of the two dimensional. Okay, we initialize the dp and we will make n plus 1 let's initialize with n minus 1 and pass this in these functions and also in this argument. Okay, no, in the memorization approach, after the if we will initialize, we will take a condition here. If dp of the n is not equal to minus 1, then we will return dp of the n. Okay, and after that we will here assign the values of the dp with the answers, and we will also pass dp in these functions. Okay, we have done. In this one, in the memorization approach, we first initialize the vectors with the n plus 1 and k plus 1 with the minus 1 values, and then pass these arguments in all the functions, and then we check the condition. If we have the dp with the minus 1 not minus 1, then you can see here already answers are present, so you return answers from here. And if this is not present, then you make the recursive functions and solve this. Okay, let's compile this. Okay, what's happened with this? Let's check. Okay, now compile it. I can submit it and check. Now you can see this is successfully submitted. That's why you can see by these steps we will solve the problems very easily. You can see again these problems, and this is the very important questions because of the all MNCs companies have asked these questions. Okay, thank you.